SCSS nesting lets a real child selector live inside its parent's rule, visually matching the actual HTML hierarchy. In this video you will nest real selectors instead of repeating parent names. This real flat CSS genuinely works, but repeats .card as a prefix in every single rule. This real nested SCSS compiles to the exact same CSS as above, but the actual source now visually mirrors the real HTML nesting. SCSS nesting lets a real child selector's rule live inside its parent's block. Nested SCSS compiles to the exact same flat CSS a browser needs. The real source structure ends up mirroring the actual HTML hierarchy. Take one real flat style sheet and rewrite 3 rules using nesting. Ready to use the real and symbol to target a selector's own state.